Welcome back to another video. Today we have your store is open. We are here to help from Harbor Freight. Don't forget to smash the like button, hit the subscribe, hit the bell for more tourist deals. Yeah, we got another email from Harbor Freight, some more coupons. It says Monday through Saturday, 8 a.m. through 6 p.m. or Sunday, 9 a.m. to 5 p.m. So those are the new hours since, this is according to the laws and stuff like that. These are essential business, so it's a business because we got to keep the plumbers, the construction workers, all the people that are going to maintain our houses for emergency situations, grid down and stuff like that. So yeah, Harbor Freight's one of the places like Home Depot and Lowe's that it's basically needed in a time like this to be open to keep our drains, our electricity, everything functioning correctly. So that's what they are still open. We got those are the new store hours there. New coupon here. Well, not a new coupon, but another coupon. 29 piece titanium drill bit set. $10.99. You got the 16-ounce hammers with fiberglass. $2.99. I don't really like these at all. I like the ones that have the red handle. However, I haven't seen them at the stores anymore. I know that they redesigned the hammers. They have new ones in there. So yeah. I still have to do a review on the hammers. I still have my old hammer. I gotta buy a new one. 8 pound fiberglass sledgehammer, $17.99. Got a 4 by 12 feet canvas cloth, $5.99. You got the 72 by 80 moving blanket, $5.99. You got the 10 by 25 feet poly sheet, $8.99. You got the 3-piece high voltage electrician's pliers, $19.99. Quinn's a good brand. 3/16 by 33 feet fiberglass wire running kit, $6.99. You get the 50 by 50 feet fish tape, $5.99. You got the AAA, AA, 24 pack of batteries. These are not the best batteries, guys. I had a few of them leak, to tell you guys the truth. Actually, to be exact, 2 of them. And I will never buy a yellow battery from Harbor Freight. The blue ones are good. I do have the blue ones. They work pretty good. Ammo dry box, $5.99. 310 lumen headlamp. Anything with the Quinn name, it's a great brand. Great lights, $14.99. Definitely recommend anything that's a Quinn or a Braun. 4-in-1 aluminum rafter angle square, $1.99. You got the 25 feet self-locking tape measure, $6.99. This is one of the newer ones. 48 box frame level, $10.99. Got the HVLP handheld paint sprayer, $59.99. HVLP portable paint sprayer, $129.99. Got the airless paint sprayer, $164.99. Then you got the Bauer, really nice Bauer kits here. I know Hercules, they did a la carte type of thing where you choose the drill, you choose the battery and the charger. Well, now they do have a $25 discount. I don't know if you guys know, but yeah, you have a $25 discount if you buy those 3 items. If you buy a drill, any type of tool, a battery, and a charger, you get $25 off. So that's a great deal. You got that's on Hercules, not on Bauer. 20-volt lithium cordless 1/4 X impact driver kit, $59.99. Got the 7-inch tile saw, $239. This is a good one. It's a nice one. This is really good. I did my baseboards with these. Let me tell you, I do have the video. Check it out. Admiral miter saw tool head 147 in the search section of YouTube up above, and you guys could type that in and watch my video. You got the variable speed. Oh, this is a good price. Not a bad price. We've seen it lower, but good price there. Variable speed, and it does include a blade too. Variable speed multi-tool, $24.99. This is a great basic saw. Works, cuts for under $20. Mobile miter saw stand, $104.99. Got the 6-gallon, $44.99. The 9-gallon, $59.99. Then you got the big one here. It's the 14-gallon, 6 horsepower, $89.99. 18-inch working platform, $19.99. You got the 40-inch working platform, $35.99. You got a ladder here, $114.99. You got the foldable sawhorse, $8.99. Heavy duty portable scaffold, $169.99. Got the drywall panel hoist, $169.99. Got a generator, it's a 9,000 watts, so this is a big guy, a big boy. $649.99. Definitely generators from Harbor Freight. If you're running construction, if you're emergency generators, go to Harbor Freight. You're gonna get a better deal. These things run forever. 100 watt panel kit, $189.99. We used to see this for $149.99. They raised the price on this. It says charges on a cloudy day. Yeah. I do have it. It works really good. 250 lumen Popular, $6.99. You got the Fortress compressors, $109.99 for the 1 gallon, and for the 2 gallon it's $129. It's a great hose. Definitely recommend this hose for you guys. Anything with the banks, any nailer from Harbor Freight will be a good nailer, especially these banks. They're great. Haven't used any other electrical. This is a new light, 1000 lumen LED work light, $19.99. I guess this is wired, adjustable base with direction. Yeah, I guess this is wired. This is a great one, 390 lumen magnetic for $26.99. They did raise the price on this, by the way. Got a 3/4 60 feet industrial. I like this tape. Just keep one on each toolbox. Got a 10-gun security safe, $329. Got the 5-gallon gas can, $19.99. Got the 2,000 watt continuous, 4,000 peak power Jupiter inverter, $164.99. Guys, that's it for today. Stay safe out there. Stay home if you can. If not, then wear your protective equipment and stay safe. We'll see you guys on the next one. Thank you for watching.